Today we're announcing the winner of the $250 shopping spree. The Omnimic has just been upgraded. Now with measurements that can range up to 40,000 Hertz, the Omnimic's ability has just been doubled. That's not all there is to this upgrade though. Learn more about the Omnimic 40K from Dayton Audio, a new tool that is redefining acoustic precision for everyone. If you're interested in all of our products at Parts Express, an easy way to see pictures, get prices, and available options is to check out our seasonal flyer. Just click Catalog and Sales Flyer on the homepage to be taken to the latest version. There, you can even sign up to receive it in the mail. If you want to build memories with speaker kits, now is a perfect time. Speaker kits are a great way to learn more about science and engineering in a fun way with an awesome reward. A loud and proud boombox you built to blast your music. It's a perfect project for family members to creatively customize as well. Now before you run off and go buy one for yourself, let's just see if you've won this $250 shopping spree, because that could really help with any speaker kit you want to get. Congratulations to Jordan H. from St. Louis, Missouri. There you go, Jordan. We'll be in touch soon. Since speaker kits are too much fun, we've decided to give one away. Entering today could win you everything you need to put together your very own blast box. Head over to the site now and take your shot. Good luck to all who enter, and we'll see you next month.